Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Reus Research NR900 Capsule. So as you can see right here, we have it here on their website. So if you don't know what this capsule does, it is basically a supplement that helps support energy, focus, and skin aging. So as you can see, many people are claiming that this is really effective. They have a lot of claims here, and the website seems pretty legit. And if you head on over here to Amazon and see the reviews, they're actually rated 4.6 out of 139 ratings, so they seem pretty legit. So as you can see, this is the same as this one. So if you scroll down here to the reviews, let us see what the people have to say. So right here, feeling more energized and focused, no known side effects, works great, so far so good, love the supplement, I think that it's a good item. Excellent results, amazing results, energy boost. So if you want to energize or have more energy throughout the day, maybe you should try this capsule or this supplement, and it might help you. And yeah, they seem to be the real deal, and they seem to be legit. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.